Hello guys, so this is the look that I created with Natasha Denona palette that I got from boxycharm. It's such an incredible product. I love it. Easy, it's super easy. I just did a tutorial and I did the really easy lash on tutorial as well. So I just added the lashes to this look. It's a really easy glam on, and what's really cool about this particular palette, it's such pigmented palette, so you will have this product for a very long time. So, and I created these look step by step for these eyeshadows like that. Super easy, super awesome, and I hope you like it, and I will guys see you very soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, join my community, and I will guys see you very soon. Talk to you soon guys. Bye. Hello everyone. Today I'm super excited to create a look for this Natasha Denona palette, and it's called Peak, and it has absolutely incredible colors that would look amazing anyone. I'm actually gonna do some swatches. I'm gonna create like some swatches here. I'm gonna start with this. It's called, so this is Shine. It's 218M. It's Shine. I'm gonna start with Shine. Oh, look at this. Oh, so incredible. Then after the Shine goes 186 SM Amhara. Oh, so it's called Shine. This is Amhara. It's just one swatch. The pigment is incredible, guys. Absolutely incredible. Then this one's called Thorn. Oh, such a pretty chocolate color. So pretty. This one is called Jasper. So pretty. And this one is called Aya. So I'm gonna take this one. Just a beautiful bone color. So this is the colors. Thorn, right? And just really get under. I'm gonna get closer to you. Just like that. Try not to go past right here, otherwise you're gonna close your eyes. And same here. This is this look is a little bit advanced. Yes, it is. But just kind of like try it. Go a little bit more forward. And just gonna, almost like a butterfly. See it? See what I mean? Kind of like up the game up. Bone, the lighter one. And we're just gonna clean it. So the pigment is so strong that you don't even need to use any type of pencil or anything, you can just use the shadows. See it? Oh, so pretty. This is so pretty. Just like that. And then what you want to do, you definitely want to kind of like smudge it. We're going to take not the orange one, but more like a rosy. And we're just going to, see what I mean? The pigments, guys, are insane. This is, you barely need to touch the colors, barely, and it just gives you such an amazing payoff. Right here, kind of like, for this look, you definitely need to have like more cleaner brushes because you're always interchanging, right? You like always want to add. But Natasha Denona palettes are incredible. They just have a lot of pigment. And then you can really carve out your brow. So this is not something you're like, okay, I just come in and learn. It takes time to kind of learn this look, but it's, as you can see, it's really pretty. And very pigmented. Sparkle. This is so pretty. And if you want to make it even more, like even more pigmented, you make it wet. See it? Just like this. What's really cool about this particular look, you can add the fake lashes and you're just gonna have this va-va-boom type of